Hello, good evening. It's raining very heavily. बाहर बहुत बारिश हो रहा है. But the thing is that we need to start off because we are having our examination online. Let me start with the first chapter, which is there in biology, and the first chapter is on life process. What is life process? See, I have written some of the points. I have not written in detail, but the points which I have written, it will be sufficient for you. Let me come to the point. Now, what is life process? Life process means the process, whatever process are there in our life, that is हम लोग के लाइफ में जो भी प्रोसेस है, that is how we are eating, how we are taking nutrition, how we are doing work, these are all the life part. Okay, so among them life process, according to the chapter, it has been divided into two parts. Number one, nutrition in animals and nutrition in plants. Now come to the point. Nutrition in plants means what? What is nutrition in plants? Nutrition means the thing, the food we intake for our energy. Okay, that is called nutrition. अभी प्लांट्स का सिर्फ न्यूट्रिशन होता है ऐसा तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स का भी होता है, प्लांट्स का भी होता है, राइट? सो नाउ let me start with the plant part, then we'll come to the animal. Fine? Achha. What is the nutrition in plants? If we come to the definition, that is the process by which an organism takes food or utilizes its जो भी वो फूड लेते हैं इसका यूटिलाइजेशंस क्या है, and how they utilize it while making food. Okay, while staying alive, जो भी utilization part है, these are all the plant nutrition. Now what are the needs? Plants को nutrition क्यों चाहिए? Why do plant need nutrition? Now plants need nutrition. Number one, energy to perform various activities. आप लोगों का बुक में जो लिखा है it's very long. Okay, तो उसको मैंने शॉर्ट में एक छोटा सा पॉइंट में किया है, सो दैट दिस सेम पॉइंट यू कैन अप्लाई इट इन योर एग्जाम ऑल्सो. ओके. नंबर टू, सप्लाइड बाय न्यूट्रिएंट्स. व्हाट आर न्यूट्रिएंट्स? मटेरियल विच प्रोवाइड्स न्यूट्रिशन. जो मटेरियल से हम लोग को न्यूट्रिशन मिलता है, प्लांट्स को न्यूट्रिशन मिलता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड न्यूट्रिएंट्स. ओके. Come to the third point, minerals, vitamins. Minerals or vitamins are considered as microorganism, and carbohydrate, fats, proteins are known as macroorganism. Fine. So these are the basic need. Now in the exam you can write this point by explanation. Okay, ये डिपेंड करता है आपका मार्क्स कितना है. इफ़ योर मार्क्स इज लाइक 3 or 4 marks, you just write down the point. But if it is more than that, please give a description to each of the point. Fine. Now coming to the mode of nutrition. What is mode of nutrition? Mode of nutrition means और कुछ नहीं, टाइप. मतलब प्लांट न्यूट्रिशन को हम लोगों ने दो टाइप में डिवाइड किया है. ओके. नंबर वन इज ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन, नंबर टू इज हेटेरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन. व्हाट इज ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन? ऑटोट्रॉप्स न्यूट्रिशन के लिए क्या करते हैं? दे इनटेक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर, ओके, CO2 and H2O, and convert into carbohydrates in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. ये जो प्लांट लोग अपने खाना बनाते हैं, ओके, दे मेक देयर फूड, तो इसीलिए कभी कभी प्लांट के किचन भी हम लोग बोलते हैं, द किचन ऑफ द प्लांट, ओके. सो दे इनटेक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर. वी डोंट नीड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, राइट. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को हम छोड़ते हैं, वी रिलीज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड टेक ऑक्सीजन, बट द प्लांट नीड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. इट इज़ जस्ट ऑपोजिट टू ह्यूमन बीइंग. हम लोगों के साथ इन लोगों का ये जो पार्ट है ये एकदम ऑपोजिट है. सो दैट इज़ वाई प्लांट गिव अस लाइफ. इट इज़ अ लाइफ which gives us. Number 2, heterotrophic. What is heterotrophic? Heterotrophic is the heterotrophs, and heterotrophs का भी बहुत सारे divisions होता है. I'll come to that, but let me explain this autotrophic one. Okay, autotrophs क्या करते हैं? This is just an equation, मतलब एक simple सी equation है. Autotrophs, they use simple inorganic material and convert into complex high energy. So this is the actual process which the autotrophs does. Okay, and who follows it? Green plants, blue green algae, they are the followers. Okay, now इन लोगों का एक simple equation भी होता है. Let me explain the equation. I have written the equation for you all. Come to the equation. Equation is carbon dioxide plus water, that is CO2 plus H2O, in the presence of chlorophyll, जो chlorophyll leaves में होता है, and in the presence of sunlight also, they need sunlight, fine, and they form, and the equation comes as C6H12O6, that is sugar, plus oxygen. So in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, these two part, that is carbon dioxide and water, they form sugar and oxygen, and this oxygen is, ये किसको ज़रूरत है? This oxygen is for us, like for us human being and animals also. तो ये जो ऑक्सीजन ये लोग रिलीज करते हैं, it is beneficial for us. Okay, now come to the next part. See, during photosynthesis, ये जो photosynthesis का process है, we have already learned in the lower classes, like we had also learned in the photosynthesis process from class 6, right? So हम लोग जो photosynthesis पढ़े थे उनका ही थोड़ा डिटेलिंग इधर ये क्लास में होगा. फाइन. नंबर 1, ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस व्हाट हैपन्स. आई हैव रिटन फ्यू पॉइंट्स फॉर यू स्टूडेंट्स so that you can understand it in a better way. Okay, number 1, during this process the solar energy is converted into chemical energy and carbohydrates are formed. ये जो solar energy है, that is what? Sunlight, and it is converted to chemical energy. Why it is known as chemical energy? बोलो तो. It is known as chemical energy because ये जो chemical equation मैंने दिखाया है, that is called the chemical process, right? So that's why it is a chemical energy. Number 2, green leaves are the main site of photosynthesis. आप लोग ये मत सोचो कि photosynthesis दूसरा जगह होता है. Okay, we have already studied in the lower classes that photosynthesis takes place in the green leaves in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. So ये green leaves जो है, ये this is the main site of photosynthesis. Okay, and ये जो photosynthesis का terminology है ना, what is known by photo? We all know that photo means light, sunlight. Okay, and synthesis means process. Okay. Number 3, the green portion of the plant contains a pigment called chlorophyll. ये जो plant का एक green portion होता है, that is called pigment chloroplast and chlorophyll. Okay, green pigment is called chlorophyll and the pigment chloroplast. ये सब हमारे प्लांट के अंदर ही होता है एंड वी कैन ईजिली फाइंड इट इन द लीव्स. बहुत सारे लोग हैं, आप लोग आई डोंट नो वेदर यू हैव डन द प्रैक्टिकल इन योर स्कूल और नॉट. स्कूल में ऑलरेडी लीफ का जो माइक्रोस्कोपिक पोर्शन है दे ऑलरेडी शो इट. ओके, आपके स्कूल में, बहुत सारे स्कूल में लैब में जो लीफ है, लीफ का जो माइक्रोस्कोप में आप अगर देखोगे ना, you can see tiny holes are there. So these tiny holes are known as, these are called green pigments. Okay, तो ये आपको दिखाई देगा and we cannot see it from the empty eyes. empty eyes में जो हम लोग बड़ा बड़ा पोर्स देखते हैं ना, उसी को ही माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर ले जाने के बाद you can see it very minutely that how it works. Okay, and it's very interesting. Okay, now number 4, the whole process of photosynthesis मैंने एक छोटा सा इक्वेशन में लाई हूँ and from this equation only I'll explain it. That is 6 CO2. What is 6 CO2? 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 12 molecules of water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. It makes C6H12O6 addition 6O2 and 6H2O, means 6 molecules of water, 6 molecules of oxygen. Okay, and these 6 molecules of oxygen is being taken by us. Now 6 CO2 and 12 H2O, this two is considered as raw material. Okay, and these raw materials are what? In the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water, ये चार items को हम raw materials बोलेंगे. These 4 things are referred as raw materials. Okay, now come to the second part. Now come to the structure of stomata. It is very important. Okay, I have given an asterisk mark also because ये जो आपका drawing है ये कभी कभी एग्ज़ाम में आता है. Okay, so the drawing is very easy. You can practice it twice or thrice. Automatically you will get to know. Okay. Now ये जो photosynthesis का part है, leaves are the main site for the photosynthesis, right? Now ये leaves का अंदर stomatas रहता है. Okay. Now ये आप सोचेंगे ये stomata कहाँ रहता है? This is the microscopic part जो हम लोगों को दिखाई नहीं देता है. When we are see a leaf under the microscope, then only we can see this part of stomata. Okay, now what are the functions? I'll just tell you 2 points. इससे ज़्यादा भी points आपको मिलेगा, but these are the 2 important basic points. ये 2 point छोड़ना मत. Okay, these are the important points, you should learn it. Number 1, exchange of gases CO2, O2. Number 2, वो और क्या करता है? It loses a large amount of water, that is water vapor, during the transpiration. अभी फिर एक नया टर्म आया transpiration. ये transpiration क्या है? I'll explain it. Okay. Let me first tell you that stomata का काम है क्या क्या है. That is exchange करते हैं gases को, O2 को and CO2 को. And number 2, they release large amount of water vapor. Water vapor जो release करते हैं ना transpiration का time में, तो ये भी ये stomata है बोल के ही होता है. Okay, it is, this only happens because ये जो stomata है it is there in the leaf. Now when you are drawing the diagram of stomata, keep in mind that all the label should be in one side. Okay, and देखो मेरा जो label है it is just on starting from the same point. अगर GERD cell मैंने इधर से लिखा है तो क्लोरोप्लास्ट मैंने इधर से नहीं लिखा है, I have written it from here. ये क्या है, why I have maintained this line, you know, because ये जो लाइन है ना, ये आप अगर ड्रॉ कर लोगे इमेजिनरी लाइन, तो ये इमेजिनरी लाइन जो हमने ड्रॉ किया है, it will make your drawing more good, it will make your drawing more professional and systematic drawing. क्योंकि बायोलॉजी का ड्राइंग में मुझे आर्टिस्टिक ड्राइंग नहीं चाहिए. We in biology the drawing should be very neat and clean and it should be very technical. Technical drawing ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं. Okay, so you don't need to give shades, you don't need to give very designing drawing. Okay, we just need technical drawing in biology. Now ये structure of stomata, let us come to this point. Stomata का अंदर क्या क्या है, what are the things we find in stomata? Number 1, guard cell. ये जो बाहर का जो पार्ट है, this is called the guard. Okay, this is the guard cell, this one and this one, दोनों तरफ guard cell होता है. Now guard cell का अंदर छोटा छोटा pores होता है, there are small pores, these pores are called chloroplast. Okay, then next come your nucleus. उसमें थोड़ा सा एक बड़ा वाला पोर आता है, that is called nucleus. Okay, then this portion is called stomatal pore, जो एकदम middle portion में होता है stomata के. Okay, this is called stomatal pore. And the outer part of this guard cell का जो बाहर का part है, this is called subsidiary cell. Okay, so ज़्यादा इसमें है नहीं, ये ड्राइंग में ज़्यादा आपके लेबल्स नहीं है, जो you can just practice it twice or thrice और ये enough है आपके लिए. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, we have 5 labels, so please learn these 5 labels at a glance. Guard cell, chloroplast, nucleus, stomatal pore, subsidiary cell. Okay, so that's all for today. Next day I'll start with the heterotrophs. Be with me, like and subscribe. For more videos you can also comment. Okay, so that's all for today. Good night.